Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for peer-reviewed scholarly articles in the APA PsycArticles database. All articles found in this database have been published in psychology journals that are affiliated with the American Psychological Association. For this reason, searching this database is key when you are looking for information on psychology topics. Let's start on the library homepage, library.indianatech.edu. If you scroll down to our Quick Links section, you will see a link titled Databases by Subject. When you click this link, you will be directed to a list of subject areas to choose from. Click the Psychology link. Each of the listed databases contain articles relevant to psychology, but for this tutorial we only want to search the APA PsycArticles database. Click the link to launch the APA PsycArticles search page. In the Advanced Search page, you can enter search terms that will help you find articles on a particular topic. For instance, if I would like to see articles about separation anxiety, I would enter that term in the search box and then click Search. In the Results page, we set limits to filter out any articles that are not suitable for our research. For instance, if I only want to see articles published in the last 5 years, I will adjust the date range to only include the most recent 5 years. I could also add additional terms to the second search box if I would like to narrow my results to focus on a specific aspect of my topic. For instance, if I am interested in how separation anxiety affects mothers, I can enter separation anxiety and mothers in the second search box to retrieve a more narrow results list. Once you are satisfied with your search terms and your filters, you can begin exploring the articles in your results list. Click the article title to view the article's citation information, the abstract, and the article itself. If you would like to save the article, you can download the article to your device, or use the permalink button to generate a URL for the article's page. Now that you have seen the basics for searching for articles in the APA PsycArticles database, please reach out to a librarian if you would like to learn more advanced searching techniques, or if you have questions about using other library resources. This database is only one of the many tools Indiana Tech provides to help their students succeed in their research. Use the Services tab on the library website to get in touch with the librarian for assistance.